What is up, everybody? We all know that walking is great for your physical health, your mental health. It's great to help you get out into the community, and it's also a wonderful way to raise awareness for a cause, a charity. So I have with me Lucy here, a friend of mine, and she's going on a journey with walking, and I thought I'd bring her on here just to explain what she's doing and yeah, just share the cause that she's looking to support.
Hi everyone, so I'll be setting off at the end of April to walk from Land's End, which is the most southerly point in England, to Groats, which is the most northerly point in Scotland. It's going to be about 1,400 miles and take me between like 2 and 3 months.
1,400 miles?
Yeah, it's a lot of walking. Wow. So about 2 to 3 months, okay. 2 to 3 months is like solid walking. And I'm going to be fundraising for a charity called the Somerset Wildlands. So essentially it's a space where they're aiming to rewild the land to bring up the diversity in the ecosystems. So yeah, it's a charity that's really important to me. And I think it's a great conversation, being able to walk and meet people and have that conversation with people and talk to them about the project and the reason for doing the journey.
I think it's insanely awesome, insanely amazing that you're doing that. So will there be links?
Yeah, there's a fundraiser, so I'm holding a GoFundMe to raise funds so that the Somerset Wildlands can purchase a further acre of land.
So if you want to go and support the cause, there will be a link in this video description if you just go there now.
And you can read more about it as well, and have all the information and where you can follow with the trip and all the updates and everything that's going to be happening. So thanks very much.
Awesome. So yeah, I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Lots of carbohydrates, lots of water, and yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
Awesome. Cool.